Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as built-in Google Assistant and maps, as well as rectangular side steps, spray-in bed liner with the multi-flex tailgate, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped to the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors your windows with the wooded chrome accents. You're going to have these two running boards here. These premium leather heated seats, super comfortable. And left side will be your ventilation with drive mode selector, lighting, and 2- and 4-wheel drive there. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise control, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So it's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. Here you access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your parallel mirror cams. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa. Down below will be your lane keep assist and park assist, with auto stop there. And below that will be your push to start with integrated brake controller and your dual zone climate controls with 2 USB ports on the side, and lots of extra center console storage with a wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable though, wooden chrome all the way across, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. Seeing these blacked out 20-inch wheels with the red stripe on these Windforce all-terrain tires. Silverado badging black and red, black door handles there. Coming to the back, you got the paint match corner step bumper with the dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Multi-flex tailgate here. With the grab handle, as well as 2 LED lamps and an AC wall port, and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage next to the speaker. Power window with the wooded chrome accent. Back. Lots of extra legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear vents, and USB ports. You got cup holder and armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as leather heated seats, drive mode selector, spray-in bed liner, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.